Hi guys, a big welcome to our YouTube channel called Real Life Fishing World, where we cover real life fishing world and a few other topics as well. So in this video right now, I'm just going to show you how you can go about creating your own YouTube channel. So the first thing obviously you need to do is you need to have a Gmail account. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Gmail. It will show your existing accounts at the moment as well. So what we want to do is we're going to create another account. So we're going to go to click on create account. So in the account you can go in here and you can create, you can put in your first name and last name, or you can use the channel name that you want to. So I'm going to use real life again, and this time I'm going to make it real life and I'm just going to choose a second name for it as well. So at the moment I've got real life drone world, I've got real life fishing world, real life plant world, and then I'm going to see if there are any other ones available. So let's just check real life hack world. Okay, so let's see if that's available. I'm just going to change it. Okay, so once you've done that, once you put in your cell phone number, if you want to, it's optional, remember, the rest of your details, so that your birth date, as well as maybe a recovery email address. It's nice to put the recovery email address in, so just in case you forget your password, you can always recover from another email address. Okay, so this is just optional extra. It's going to ask you if you want to go through and do a few other stuff with Gmail or Google. Okay, so once that's done, so when you go to YouTube, you're going to see on the right hand side, you're going to see an option to sign in. So you're going to sign in and you're going to choose the same email address. So by default it should choose the last email address that you use, which for me is reallifehackworld@gmail.com. Once you do that, you click on my channels, and I'm currently using Google Chrome as my browser, so it may be a little bit different depending on the browser that you're using, but in general it should be very similar across the board. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to say create channel, and that's it. My channel now created. So at the moment it says you don't have any public or recent up. Okay, so once you've clicked on customize channel, you'll see you get a few options that comes up here. The first thing I normally go in is I go to the channel description. So you want to go into there, you just want to give a brief overview, or you can spend a lot of time on this. The more you spend on this, the better for you. The more people look at and see what you're really interested in, what your channel is all about, and what you're planning to do. So I'm just going to give a quick overview on this here. I'm just going to say this is a channel all about real life hacks that you may come across. In life. Sorry, my typing skills are bad. Please join us on our adventure. Okay, so I'll just put in a brief description for now, but you can always go in and edit this. Once you're done, you click on done. It will save that in for you. The next thing you generally want to do is you want to click. So on this you can go through and change your icon. This also changes your Gmail account icon as well. So you can just go ahead and select anything that you've got at the moment. So I'm just going to select this for now as my icon, or as my profile picture. Okay, I'm not going to change much on it for right now. I'm just going to leave it as is. Okay, and this, what you see right now, is what you'll see normally in about 24 hours after you've actually created the whole channel and change them. Okay, so that's done. You can just save it as is. I'm gonna go in next and see, at the moment you don't see the profile picture, so give it about 24 hours and you'll normally see it in there. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, so obviously what you want to do next is, you've got your YouTube channel now created. You want to go ahead and start creating videos that are according to your channel and try and get your subscribers up and try and get your views up. So at the moment, obviously this is a new channel. You can see on the left hand side at the top here, you can see how many subscribers you've got. You've got a video manager button. Okay, so this is my channel that I've created at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my channel on the right hand side. Once I've clicked on that, you'll see that at the moment I've got 30 subscribers. Okay, and I'm just going to click on customize channel. Okay, so once you click on customize channel, you'll see that you have a whole bunch of items that you can actually go through. So at the moment I've got 28 videos that I've uploaded so far. I started this channel in December of 2018. Yeah, I've managed, so I'm just going to show you a little bit on this channel at the moment. So videos, these are all the videos that I've currently uploaded at the moment. So I've got about 28 videos that I've uploaded at the moment, depending on the channel. Some of them are channel specific and some of them are not.